Okay, we have a Haas CNC drilling and tapping center, model DT-1, serial number 1093833. This machine was new in 2012 and it is running. It has a 12,000 RPM spindle, BT30. We're running it right now. It has a 20 ATC side mount, 2,000 RPM, 3,000 RPM. It goes up to 12 again. So you have 20 inches of X travel, 16 of Y and 15 and a half of Z. Now, you also have a Midico pallet changer, and on each Midico pallet changer, there is a Haas HRT 160 SP rotary table with an independent control for indexing. That's 8,000 RPM. The Midico is a model ADT-1SD programmable dual pallet changer that is made for the Haas DT-1. That's 10,000 RPM. He did a tool change. He did another tool change. The machine is also set up for Renishaw probe, but it does not have the probe tool or the touch setter, but it does have the eye and is set up for whips. Right now he's indexing that table. Okay. Moving the x-axis. Again, there's 20 of x-axis, 16 of y, and 15 and a half of z. And we're going to index the other table. Again, for demonstration purposes, we don't have the pallet changer hooked up, but you can see that we do have the indexer with the box, and normally the Midico can change pallet for production. Great. Thank you for watching our video.